Hello everyone, I'm James, and today I'm going to show you something fun and scientific at the same time. It's projectile motion in the game Jackstone. Playing Jackstone is simple, exciting, and full of quick movements. But did you know that when we toss the Jackstone, science is actually in action? Let's take a look at how projectile motion is part in this classic game.
Projectile motion happens when an object is thrown into the air and moves along a curved path under the influence of gravity. It's made up of two types of motion, horizontal motion and vertical motion. Projectile motion is everywhere. In sports like basketball, in throwing a ball, or even water is sprayed from a fountain. And yes, it even happens in playing Jackstone.
And now, let's talk about how Jackstone is played.
First, you scatter the jacks on a flat surface. Then you toss the small ball upward and quickly pick one or more jacks before catching the ball again. Each round increases the number of jacks you need to grab, from 1 to 5, and so on. The key here is timing and the hand-eye coordination, and that's where physics, especially projectile motion, comes in. When I toss the ball upward, its initial velocity is strong and directed upward. As the ball rises, gravity acts downward, slowing the ball's upward speed. At the top of its path, the ball's vertical velocity becomes zero for a very short moment. That's the point where it stops going up and starts to fall back down. Then, as the ball falls, its velocity increases again, this time in the downward direction. Because gravity keeps pulling it, the acceleration due to gravity is always 9.8 meters per second squared, downward, no matter if the ball is going up or down.
To sum it all, every toss of the ball in Jackstone shows projectile motion and action. The ball moves upward, curves, and falls back down, all because of force of gravity and motion you give it. So the next time you play Jackstone, remember, you're not just playing, you're actually applying science. This is James, and that's how projectile motion works in Jackstone. Thank you for watching.